Hello, everyone. This is Real Stuff, No Fluff. I'm your host, Angela Nixon. Everyone, I'm getting ready to introduce you to something that I'm going to introduce to myself. So, I came across a website called liquidation.com. Here's the site name. And I was curious to know what they sold. And to my understanding, they sell Amazon liquidations and other companies like Wayfair and, to my understanding, Best Buy and some other people. So I said, okay, what does that look like for me? I looked at some of the categories I found to be very interesting. Like we can go to the women's category. My computer's going really slow. And I saw some interesting items, like 180 pieces of lingerie at $100 right now. Right now, no one's bidding on them. Here are some belts, no one's bidding on, and they close this evening. And I thought, okay, well, this might be very good for doing swap meets or maybe selling on other platforms online. So I said, okay, I'm going to take a closer look. I even went to type in designer bags or designer handbags. And to my surprise, I did see some decent handbags. Like right now, there are these 5 authentic Michael Kors bags that are no one's bidded on. Oh, well, there's one bid for $280. Let's open this one up. One bidder, $280. And this closes. Oh, it closed already. So one bid, when I looked at it, there was like 20 minutes and no one bid it. So one person bid it and got 5 Michael Kors bags for $280, which is to me a very good deal. However, I did a little research because I originally thought that was a good deal. So let me see if I open it up. Yeah, when I went on earlier, I had 32 minutes. I did open this up. And at that time, no one, as you see right here, there were no bidders. But what I did is I went to Amazon and I looked for Michael Kors Jet Set Treble Large Carry-All Leather Wallet in red because I saw one. Let's go back here. I saw one here for red. It was a red one. That would suggested retail $198. Here's the red one. So I went online to find one close to it. This is the one that I got. It was going for $58.38. So when we do the math at $280, so let's see, anybody got some real quick math here? We got 280 divided by 5. That means each item is $56. So let's go back here and look at each item. So we got this Michael Kors bag, wallet. We have a little carry purse. We have a tote bag. And then you can also see the stock number on here to do better research. So the bags don't look too bad. So mainly wallets. You can also view the manifest. And the manifest tell you there's a tote, clutch, carry-all, phone case, and bifold. And here are the suggested retail. So you're going to get, if you were to had won this, $1,200 worth of product for $280. Right? So we go back here to Amazon to do a little price comparison. And so what we would have got was, it was $58.38. It was $62.68. You know, no one's going to buy the was cost, especially when we saw that the price, go back to the manifest. Manifest says 198 or 148, something like that. Even if you do half of that, that's $100. But when someone know they could quickly go on Amazon and get it for $58, that could be an issue. However, when selling like at a swap meet or people that you know, it's brand new, because it did say that the items were new right here. Said the items were new. So brand new, your friend or someone you know may want this red bag or I don't know why I keep calling it a bag, but you know what I mean. This red wallet for $100. So if that's the case, then this is a good deal. But if they're shoppers, then they're gonna say, well, I can go on eBay. Oh, not eBay, but Amazon. I can go on Amazon and get it for $58.38. So that could be a little bit of an issue. But I did go on eBay and I looked to find something similar to it. And here, one sold February 8th for $59.99. And we're already in the month of March. So, and I looked here in the clutch all. So that's a carry all clutch card holder, $50.76. They say brand new. This says brand new for $70. This says brand new for $31 with a $15 shipping. So we have to do a little bit of research. This says $59. So what I'm getting is you might sit on it for a minute if you put it on eBay, because you might get $59, but it just shows that February a lot of people bought, but it was a month ago. So if you get it, you might sit on it for about a month. A trick that I like to do in eBay is I put the name of the product when I'm searching. So I say search, but on the left hand side, I click completed items and sold items. A lot of people would like to think when they go research on eBay that if they don't have this clicked and they say, oh, people are selling that bag for, let me just click out of here. People are selling that bag for $50, $55, $69. So that might be good. I might be able to make $10 off of it. Charge, or look at this one, $119 brand new. $79.99 brand new. So some people might go off that price. Look at this tote bag, $175 brand new. This tote bag, $159.91. The key is, this is what people would like to give for those bags. So what you have to do is go over to your left hand side, click completed items and complete sold items. This gives you the heads up to know what was actually sold, how fast it sold, and if you even got a chance of selling it. So here, March 5th, the wallet, we don't know which color. I don't know which color they provided, but someone sold the wallet for $50.76. That was that today? Yeah, that was yesterday. They sold it for that. But then the next time it sold again was February 12th by someone else, brand new. And then here's some February 11th, February 8th. So February seemed like it was a good month. Yes, we're just in the midst of March. So maybe, people will buy it. But here is a general idea of what it's going to cost. So what I like to do sometimes when I'm trying to come up with my price, I would take $51 plus $69 plus, and that 31 is like killing me, $31. Okay, that's $151 divided by 3. So if I feel like if I'm going to get a really good buy, I want to take the medium, the middle cost of this, and I want to sell it for $50. But it's not going to do good if this costs you $58. So with that, you just have to do a little research. But I did find a very good deal in this liquidation. I didn't get this handbag or anything like that, but I started looking for items that I knew that would make a good sale. That was a no-brainer. Cost me, I bought something that was like $150. I'm going to show you what that looks like right now because I want to show you, and maybe we can figure this out together. So I'm going to go to my account. This is what I bought. I bought 150 units of high-end earrings. Now, some people are like, well, Angela, why would you show everybody what you bought? Hey, you know what? You may market something different than me. You may go to the swap meet in your hometown. I don't know. You may find another platform that sells. Maybe you got a website that sells. Maybe you have an earring party at your house. We're not going to be in direct competition. And I don't know what you're going to sell your stuff for. You don't know what I'm going to sell myself for. So I don't have a problem with that. So I just want to show you that this was a no-brainer for me. I won the bid at $150. The manifest says that I'm assuming that I have 2 sets of 750 pairs of earrings here. So what I read down here, 150 unit of high-end mixed styles of earrings, and they are retail packaged. Then it has 750. Didn't say times 2, so I was a little leery, but I said, you know what the heck, whether I get 750 or whether I get 1,500, I'm good. Because each pair comes with a retail package. The suggested retail is $9.99 to $39.99 per earrings. And they said they have many styles. So for me, $150 was a no-brainer. Okay, and like I said, brand new earrings. Okay, we're gonna work this out, and they're already retail package. So let's go with that. They didn't suggest what the suggested retail overall would be for all these earrings, but I didn't care about that. I said we're gonna take a chance at this. The one thing I did learn about winning this bid was it cost me $54 for them to ship it from here, Blaine. And then also they charged me a premium. So I was like, okay, so it ended up costing me $220. But that's okay, because let's do the math on that again. If I'm just going to do 750 pairs of earrings. Okay. And then we're going to divide that by the $220 that I spent. Okay, let me see if I go. That's 220 divided by 750. That's 29 cents per earring. I'm winning. If I sell those earrings at $1 a piece, that's $750. So then I would make a $500 profit. If I sell them at $2, wow. $3, wow. Even if I sell them half the cost of this was a good look. And women love earrings, and if they look half as good as the picture that they're showing, because somewhere down here I read that this picture is not, may not be the original picture or something to that effect. So, but I feel like if the picture is half of what I see, then this is a good deal. If they look anything like this is a good deal. At $1 is a great deal. $2 is a great deal. So with that, I'm going to let you know how long it takes for it to get to me. So do know that I paid $150 at liquidation.com. They charged me $54 for shipping, and then they charged me tax, and they also charged me a premium bidder's fee, but to bid, there was no money to bid. So that was a great thing too. There was no money. So this buyer's premium was 5% that they charged me. So those are the only things that I bought, and I'm going to share with you what it looked like in another video. But I want you guys to go ahead, check out this website, see the other items that they have, and maybe this might be a good start for us to make money. Now, normally I like to make money with no money, but this is make money with little money. So with that, I'm great. You guys have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye-bye.